What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Blue, and today's video is gonna be a live trade video. I know I ain't been putting out that many videos lately, but I kind of slowed down on taking trades for real because of the election coming up, the market a little bit more volatile. So I wanted to take a step back and just watch it for the most part. But I did take a couple trades this week, and I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all one of the live ones, and y'all can check out what I did for that day at least. And we'll be back next week, even though that's when the election is. I probably still only trade a couple days, and then after that, hopefully we can get back to normal. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might.
So we're gonna try to catch this live trade out the gate. A couple more seconds. But you'll see whatever I enter and exit. If I have to pause it, I'll pause it. I don't want to record it too long, but I'll do a recap at the end. The market just opened. Let me see. Uh, 7-3. I'll grab a contract here. And here, since it's pushing up here. Let me see, 97. So I got two orders sitting out. One to go long, one to go short. So we'll see if we can get a feel. The 04 could be off of this. The VWAP continue down. And the 03 is this support area. So we're gonna see which one they want to feel, and we'll go from there. But as you see, it's struggling to move right now. Any amount. Let me see how much range did we have this morning. 94, 34.10. So if it don't get close to it soon, I'm gonna pause the video. It's got to get down here in this area to feel me to go long, and then I'll put my stop in or my sell in or add, depending on what it do. So just waiting on it to get filled. Okay, it filled the 93. I'll take it off at 99 if it get up here. Take this order out. Add one at 90 if it want to continue down. 33.90. Let me see, I'm put a couple orders out. 90. At 87. Put my orders to sell at 94. Take that one off. So we're trying to see if it's gonna either want to continue down or recover. My exit is right here. So I'll do 4 ads and then stop out normally. So whichever one they want to do, that's what we're gonna go with. But look like it want to continue pushing down. Ooh, I kind of wish I would have just went short, but it's cool. Anyways, I'm gonna pause it and see if we can get the recovery or something. So it looked like it's about to take me out if it keep pushing up. All right, that's order filled. Got me out for 25 bucks. We'll see if we can get another setup. If not, we'll just come back and do a recap if I can't catch it live. But anyways, all right, later. So I took one more trade for the day besides the one at the opening that y'all seen. And when I got in, I was looking for it just in case like it pushed back up in this candle. I was looking for it to retest VWAP to add. So I got in one contract just for a starter. And then I planned on adding if it got up near this top right here for the day. Well, for the day as far as the opening of the 930 market. So when it pushed up, I had an order sitting there, got filled. I planned to take it off at 34.02 if it got up there, but it ended up pushing down, and I took off 2 contracts right here. I had 3 contracts altogether, and as it continued to push down, I took off the last contract, which was 10 points from this contract, and that was just all the trades that I took today. So if y'all like these type of videos, make sure y'all give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button, and drop a comment. Let me know if y'all took any trades on the micros or if y'all took any on the NASDAQs, minis or anything. Anyways, we'll see y'all later.